Preen Hamda, my name is Krystal, and today I'm going to tell you about Ballet Cymru's production of A Child's Christmas in Wales. Now, A Child's Christmas in Wales was originally written by Dylan Thomas, and our production has Cerys Matthews narrating it to music by Mason Neely and Cerys Matthews. It's an amazing production filled with fun and anecdotes about what it was like to be a child back in Dylan Thomas's childhood in Wales. So it's an amazing story or collection of stories, lots of little anecdotes that share about cats and uncles and aunts and snowball fights and everything you can imagine, presents. My favorite scene in this ballet is the presents, the useless and I think is useful and useless presents. And it talks about all kinds of presents, and it's like this fast-paced scene, and to watch it must be amazing. I'm looking forward to Sunday to get a look at it, but to perform it was so incredible. It was incredible. We had all of these props that were like in pockets and quick changes, and you had to go off stage and quickly back on stage, and to tour this into different theaters with different wings, and it was amazing. That's what I live for, like great works, and then we tour it, and then it adds a new element of thinking about a different shaped stage or different types of wings. And yeah, the useless and useful presents was my favorite scene. So this production was choreographed and costumes were by Amy Dowdy and Darius James. So it's amazing to see a production that is Welsh, Welsh owned, Welsh written, Welsh narrated, and everything kind of centers around the culture here in Wales. And for me, coming from Bermuda originally, it was really great to be a part of a production that kind of was a history lesson for me. A lot of the presents I did not understand. I had to kind of like research and like, hey, what is this? And okay, I get it now. It was really cool. So the role I played in this ballet, amongst many, was Auntie Hannah. And so the most challenging thing about this role was that she was drunk for the ballet, and I'm not someone who gets drunk, okay? But she did like port, and I do like port, so that was kind of where we guys we came into together. But Auntie Hannah was really fun. Just kind of a role that I really enjoyed doing. And all the movement, Darius and Amy choreographed so that the movement complements not only our bodies, because we're all so different in shape and in height at Ballet Cymru, but that complements our style of movement. And so it was a really fun role to play, and I hope you guys like it when you see it on Sunday. So yeah, I hope you guys are counting down the days. What is today? Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. 4 days left until we get to see A Child's Christmas in Wales on the Ballet Cymru YouTube channel. Okay, see you then.